Alright guys, welcome to the class. Like I said earlier, you'll be taught on how to use leather and fabric to produce items. As you can see, this is a fabric slippers made from scratch, while this is leather. So you can also use the same material to produce shoes. Let me show you. This is fabric shoes, while this is leather shoe. There is difference. Mind you, you can actually wrap this, meaning you can wrap your old shoes, and at the same time you can make from scratch. This is also a fabric shoes made from scratch with leather sole. I would like to explain something to you, because the first thing you are going to be learning is how to make footwears. And footwears actually have three major parts which you need to know. The first one, we call it the sole. The second one, we call it insole, which is inside here. That is, we have outer sole, we have inner sole. Then the last one, which is the third one, is your pattern. Number one, we have outer sole. Number two, we have inner sole. And number three, we have pattern or design. So the major difference between the leather works and fabric is just the word leather and fabric. Meaning, if you are making a leather shoe, two things are common to both leather and fabric works, especially in shoemaking. The sole, which is very, very important. The inner sole, also very common. Then the third one is just the pattern or the design, where the difference comes out. This is fabric, this is leather. The fabric is also as solid as leather. So don't be deceived. You can wear this anytime. Although because it is fabric, it is occasional, but you can still wear it anytime you want to wear it. As you can see, this is a leather bag, while this is a fabric bag, also made from scratch. Here you will learn how to wrap bags and also how to make bags from the scratch. I would like to explain some things to you. There are so many things people call leather, but they are not leather. Universally, whatever that is not made from the skin of an animal, it is not a pure leather. We can get leather from so many kinds of animals. We get leather from cattle, that is cow. We get leather from sheep. We get leather from goats. We get leather from ostrich. We get leather from reptiles like snake, crocodile, and so many other animals. As a matter of fact, you can also get leather from elephants. But there are some other synthetic leather, but people use them as leather. They call them pure leather, but they are not. This is not a pure leather. I call it leather lining because it is not made from the skin of an animal. This is leather. If you want to know the difference between leather and lining, you check the back. Compare the back of these two materials. You will know they are different. Then this is fabric. Majorly, people call fabric works Ankara works. But Ankara is just one of the million of fabrics. There are so many fabrics. This is fabric. Lace is a fabric. Most of the materials we put on, all the materials we are wearing, they are fabrics. Part of the materials we are going to make use of is suede. This material I'm holding here is called suede, but skin suede. Do you know why? Because when the front layer of the leather is scraped off, then it gives you suede. I'm not talking about synthetic suede or velvet. The other one is faux leather. The fur of the skin of the animal was not removed. It was treated in the factory and sold out as leather. So we call it faux leather. All this leather, they have different designs you use them for. So as time goes on, you will learn how to use different leathers for different purposes. Okay guys, thank you very much. See you in our next class.
Thank you for choosing Grand Skills as your #1 online free professional course creator. For your notice, I want you to know that the instructor of this course has put in so much effort, time and money just to create this content for you to learn all for free. So please do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all so you will be the first to get our video tutorials we'll be posting at all time. Also give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to help us improve more. Thank you.